So we have most everything planted or planned to plant. So this bed here is the currently all herbs. Here in the middle, not sure, this was going to be a garden bed such as lettuce and things, lettuce and spinaches. This is herbs and the lettuce and spinaches, but it's also the one that the rabbit got to, and I think the rabbit continues to come back because some of these tomatoes are chewed on as well. And then this is how I plan to make the cover for these. That's the plan I just came up with today. Now I just have to do it, but the day's almost over. So these are peppers and cucumbers with some lavender, and they're in the middle in the pots. More peppers. Sadly, the rabbit has gotten some of them, and that includes most of the seeds that I got to come up and plant have been eaten. Some of them still survive. That one is still alive. And then there is a seed planted that's hiding under there that hasn't gotten. But the ones that I've bought that were from the store have been okay. And there's a pretty bloom for an eggplant, so there's that. Then this here is on the left some squash, and then in the blank spot on the right is going to be the beans as soon as I get them. Here in the front are going to be the flowers, the sunflowers and zinnia and such. Here is basically a tomato bed. We have some basil down there in the center, some garlic there at the end. I did run out of garlic when planting this bed, so there's no garlic on this end of the bed. But then over here we have more tomatoes, and then that garlic is doing well. We have basil, we have okra, tomato, basil, tomato, garlic, and then this is dill. There was going to be some trap squash crops here, but those did not make it through the deck. This is going to be corn, more dill, and then the same down there. Just a duplicate of this bed down here, dill on the end, corn in the center. And then you got the flowers there in the corner and the tomato or the strawberries there in the back. That's the garden. And then up here on the deck, these are the flowers that need to be planted. Some of them are starting to die because they've been up here too long. Those are the tomatoes that are going crazy that I didn't think were going to survive. And then back there are more of the flower seeds, and then the marigolds and petunias that I bought that I need to get in the ground before those die. But all of the vegetables are in the ground, so now it's moving on to the flowers this weekend. And then of course the beans. And what else did I say I had to plant? Corn. Beans and corn. Okay, bye now.